Welcome to the Term 4 Test Review Sheet Solution tutorial. Here I will be covering number 8. Number 8 asks us to find the addition of this polynomial. And to add or subtract, you will have to combine them based on their degree. So let's do A here. Let's first take a look. Nothing happens to this number of x squared. This stays the same. Then we have your x is going to be added with the 2x. Those are like terms here. Then you're going to add the 1 with the 5. So notice, all I did here was just organize things and put them where each one of them has their like terms. So this has a degree of 2. This has a degree of 1, and this is the constant, which has no degrees. So if we add this all together, you should get x squared plus x plus 2x gets you 3x, plus 1 plus 5 gets you 6. There you go. Same process here for b. When you want to combine our like terms, you have your x squared, your 2x that you're going to add. Then you're going to add your x terms, which is just x and plus 2x. That's it. That's all your terms together. This will now get you x squared plus 2x gets you 3. Oops. This will get you 3x squared. Plus x plus 2x gets you 3x. There you go. All right, because remember there's a front in front here. All right, then also that's it for B. Just make sure you combine them based on their degree.